ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Oroquieta. In Oroquieta po, we always welcome and greet our visitors with God is good, and all the time, God is good. Welcome to Oroquieta City! Our Layawan River is famous for the cleanest river in the whole country. Kanina, I think you've tasted our famous lumyagan, the squid, no?
Nagkakahiusa, kini ang atong dakbayan.
Talira dayon, kaibong tultulon, City of Good Life ang pangalan.
Manindot nga dapit, nagilaong katawhan, malamon nga dakbayan.
It's nice to be back. Really, in the literal sense of the word, it's really nice to be back. Nice to be back in Oroquieta City, as well as nice to be back in the Department of Tourism.
Nagkakahiusa, kita ang Oroquieta, mayo na, mas bagong pa Oroquieta.
Now, the kiosk was built together with the construction of a provisional wooden church, the convento there across the municipio at the back, and then the eskwela for boys and girls, yung school po doon, Catholic school, and the planting of the acacia, yun po doon sa kabila, acacia and the calachuchi trees.
Ay, uksa ka limpyo, makita sa atong dakbayan.
Halina diri, kay sadyang anhi,
Pagmahal, pag-abi-abi, mabati pirmi.
kurang kaswagan, sang-sang-sang, ani-ani.
It is a structure that has become a symbol of identity for Oroquietanos and a memorial of its rich history worth retelling from generation to generation. The kiosk is forever the priceless treasure of Oroquieta, the capital of Misamis Occidental.
So I guess some of you have already gone to other places in Mindanao. But then there is actually more places to see. And Oroquieta is one of the best places, and Misamis Occidental is actually one of the best places to visit. With that, thank you very much, Madam First Lady, and to Oroquieta City, and to our Mayor, Mayor Lemuel Acosta.